Hi y'all, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadi. I am a witch and root worker who loves to create black women as supernatural beings. So if you end up enjoying this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to see more from this person here. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to draw lush lashes, and I'm going to try to explain it to you while I am high. So I just got finished smoking and I decided to do this series where I tell you guys how to draw things like a tutorial, but I'm high and I'm gonna try to explain it the best way I can. So right now what I'm doing is showing you guys the tools that I'm using, which is that gold paint, which is from Fine Tech, a blending stump, 3 colored micron pens. These are so pretty. I used their regular inks and they were really well too, but then I brought this whole set of colored ink from them, and guys, I love it so much. It's so pretty and just makes my drawings pop even more. So yeah, and then we have this pencil from Graph Gear 500. It's a 0.3 pencil. If you're looking for like a very small or very thin lead as a mechanical pencil, that pencil is really good. And then of course you'll need your eraser, but I forgot to show you during this a white gel pen as well, and then this like regular graphite pencil, and this red like colored pencil. It was very cheap. This was like $9.99, and I'm just using that for like blush and stuff. And of course you need your paper. So here I'm using toned hand mixed media paper. It's really beautiful for like simple sketches of what you would like to draw, so I really do love this paper. I do recommend trying it out if you want to try something new from your medium, because it just makes your paintings look so regal, or it makes your like drawings look so regal. I really do love it. So I don't talk about the lashes until very later on in the video, so let's just do some rambling. I'm gonna tell you guys about the changes I'm going to be making to my channel, and just ramble about some manga. So first off, thank you guys so much for coming into 2020 along with me. It means the world to me that you guys are supporting me and cherishing my art just as much as I cherish it. I am forever grateful for you guys. With that being said, I sort of had an epiphany of things I want to do with my career and with my art and with you guys. So this channel is going to be a mix of a couple of things. Like, I'm going to start doing fashion videos, maybe makeup videos, maybe and just more lifestyle videos in general. Like, I'll be talking about root work and my spirituality and how it helped me heal, and I want to like help you guys bring more prosperity and love and light into your life, because why not? Everybody deserves it. You guys deserve it for fucking sure, because I don't play about you guys' happiness. I want you guys to be so happy and so content with the life you're living. So I'm going to be doing videos like that as well, so I hope you guys will stick around for those. I still will be doing drawing videos, of course, because I am an artist at heart, but yeah, I'm going to just be mixing it up sometimes. I also will be uploading on every Friday. I decided that doing that will make me more accountable for YouTube, and I'm pretty sure I'll start posting more and on time, instead of like wearing myself out, because Libras love doing that shit. They just love wearing themselves out. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be uploading every week, one video on Friday, and it's just going to be like such a good thing for me, because I know I'll be able to keep up with it, and you guys will get way more content from me than you guys usually do, because you guys deserve all the content in the world. So yeah, that's the changes that's going to be coming to my channel. I hope you guys are going to be excited for it. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. I just know it. I know you guys are going to have an amazing year as well. It's going to be super abundant, super fulfilling. You're going to learn a lot of things. Like, this is your year. absolutely positively believe that. So right now, you can't really see, which that's what kind of irks me about this paper. It's kind of hard to see it because the lead kind of like reflects with the light, the glare, as you can see, so you can't even see like what I'm sketching. But just know that is perfection. And I end up showing you guys how the sketch ended up turning out. Actually right here. So yeah, that's how she turned out. She's super duper gorgeous. And now let's talk about how to create these lashes. So when I was a beginner, just going to use an example, when I was a beginner, I used to just go straight out instead of curving as you see me doing now. So what you want to do is make sure the grip on your pencil is very loose or loose enough, and just allow your fingers and allow your wrist to flow. So try not to be very stiff and just go in a curving motion. So from the point where you start off, don't go straight up or straight down. Try to flick your wrist and to flick your pencil to make it have depth and to make it curve along the line and then come back up. So the fullest part of your lash will be lower than the thinnest part of the lashes, if that makes sense. I hope it does. So that's what I do. So at the beginning, because I really do like full lush lashes, so I will just make it thick at the lash line, and then I'll make it thin towards the top, and that kind of just gives it so much depth and so much character to it. And honestly, I love how I did the third eye, because the third eye, she is full, okay? And these aren't falsies, by the way. Can you imagine like falsy lashes this long? I kind of want to do it. maybe one day I will create it. But yeah, and when I was creating her, I literally just put everything together into one species of characters. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give her a third eye, and I'm gonna give her horns for ears, and I'm gonna make her an angel as well, and I'm gonna make one of her eyes shut so she can really just see through her third eye and not through the second. I have been blessed with the ability to just like imagine any type of creature into my mind, any type of like ethereal, supernatural creature into my mind, and I'm really blessed to have that, because imagination is kind of awesome. If you have an imagination, as some people don't, some people do, you better use it to your full capacity, okay? Because it's pretty fucking fun. So here I'm just trying to create like a highlighted effect, and I'm doing the same thing that I did with my pencil with the ink, and you can just see it better how I curve the line, how it gets fuller towards the top and then just thins out at the bottom while curving. So yeah, oh my god, look how beautiful them ink strokes are. Okay, that's just nice. I snapped. Okay, but anyway, yeah, so that's how you draw lashes. It's gonna take a minute, but you're definitely gonna get it, because it took me a minute as well to get the hang of the doing depth, doing the curvature, trying to get it not as straight as I had it. So it's going to take some trial, and it's going to take some error, and it's going to take practice, but you're going to get it because you're freaking amazing. So don't think this is hard to do, babes, because you got this. I believe in you, and actually I want to see you create these beautiful lush lashes, or see how the practice is coming along with you trying to draw lashes. So if you can, just go over to my socials, Naughty Designs, both of them, and like tag me, because I really do like seeing you guys artwork and seeing like the pieces that you are inspired by. When you look at my art, it really does fill my heart with joy, because it's so beautiful and it's so pretty. You guys are super talented. So yeah, I would love to freaking see that. And here I'm giving her some freckles. If you know me, you know I love like spicing up my portraits or spicing up my artwork with freckles, because it can take it from basic to 100. And I just don't do like regular freckles. I like to make freckles the main color of the piece. So say if I'm doing like an all green piece, like her hair is green, her eyes green, but it's like a different shade of green, monochromatic, and her lips are green, I'm like, oh, okay, let's make her freckles green. And I really love when I just add that small detail to my pieces, because it just spices up and just give it a lot of character. As you can see, like just with those little dots, a lot of oomph basically was put into it. So I really love adding like freckles or like little dots and moles on my characters. If you feel like your painting might be a little dull or feeling a little dull, add some like little small features that are significant to you and want to distinguish from the rest of your drawings and to make it like pop. So that's what I love doing with my art. I also like when I sketch on this paper tone tan, I really like using colored pencils in a very light way, because it's so cute. Like, so say if like right now she has like a little bit of blush on her cheeks, a blush on her eyelids, and it's just going up, but that's like the only colored of a different medium in this piece. And I really like how I did her lips. Her lips are like super plump and juicy. It's just that subtleness to a piece I really like. I don't know why I like it, but it just really stands out to me when I do stuff like that. So let's talk about some freaking manga. I'm not gonna say the names because I'm gonna butcher it. I mean, I'm not in a state of mind to be saying the names right. Like, that's dead, and I don't want to like butcher it because they don't deserve to be butchered. Basically, I'm reading this horror slash fantasy occult type manga. It's so good. It's about curses. So it's this boy who like he ate a curse, and it was like it's not a human, but it had like humans. It was like a finger, a foot, and stuff like that. So he ate it like a ding dong, and then so now he has like the entity of like a curse inside of him, and now they gotta find all the other curses so they can kill the big curse that's inside of him. But like so far, like to get to that point is so good. I'm not gonna tell you the whole story because I don't want to give it away. You guys should definitely like run to Viz Media or wherever you read your manga and read it right freaking out. And I'm so happy that I started reading it right now because it's actually being adapted into a manga. Adapted into anime. I need to stop cursing. I won. Do you understand how I find an amazing manga only like a week ago, and just to find out the next day that it's going to be adapted into a manga, into an anime? Spirit really loves me. Oh my fucking god. Spirit really just loves me. And not only that, it's this other manga that I'm going to put the name up on the screen as well. And it's really so funny, guys. It's so funny. It has me dead because I read it like at 2 a.m. in the morning, and I just be sitting there cracking the fuck up because it's just so funny. So it's basically about two humans. They're basically the only humans left because the humans are like a rare species among like humanoid animals. So it's just their daily lives living with a bunch of freaking animals who are like in human form. Like the women are like humanoid, and then the men, they look like the animals, but they walk and talk like humans, but also have like the features and stuff like an animal's supposed to have. It's really good. I highly recommend you guys read that manga. I'm gonna link it all in the description just for you guys. So I'm actually wrapping up this drawing. I really hope you guys enjoyed how pretty she came out. I really loved how she came out. And yeah, if you guys would like to see more of her, she is on my Patreon as the postcard design for last month's print pack and postcard shipment tier. So yeah, I would definitely hop on that if you guys are interested. And you can also prepare for this month's postcard design and print because I'll be doing that as well. And ooh, look how she's freaking sparkles. She looks so good, guys. I really love her. And then Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It truly means the world to me. If you guys would like to see more from me, make sure to become a patron over my Patreon. You'll gain access to so many exclusive rewards your mind will like blow. Also, make sure to stop by my shop where I sell these gorgeous prints, these gorgeous stickers, apparel, merchandise, and so much more. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I want you guys to have a beautiful, abundant day. See you next time, babes.